Truth is that school was never meant to be difficult. You just choose difficulty. What people don't understand is that real ease does not actually come from doing more, or more like from doing the right thing. And for me to actually properly convey my point, I'm going to really need to explain to you the kind of person I am. So, of course, on this YouTube channel, I've done my reaction results to my 5.0. I've advised thousands of students on how to live their academic life to do better, right? One thing that people don't know about me is that I really hate stress. Like, and when I'm talking about stress, I'm majorly talking about negative stress. Stress that does not have any form of addition to my life, right? So I will always look for the easier way, the faster way, and the better way to do things. And that brings me on to the model I'm going to be talking about in this video. So when I started hearing testimonies about people having academic success and all that, I had a major problem with them. Is that a lot of them were extremists, in the sense that they just come and share testimony that, wow, thank you, Jesus, I had a 5.0 GPA, all by the grace of God. Some of them will even have the guts to say, I did not read, I did not do this one, blah, 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 blah. And then you're thinking that, oh, me too, if I don't read and if I just pray to God, or more like if you don't do some extent of work, you still see some extent of results.
My opponents, you see, you are deceived.
So I kept on trying that model over and over and over again, and it never worked out. When I now eventually got my own result, I can tell you for free, I did a lot of work, but God did the heavy lifting. So let me explain it to you. It's just like David and Goliath, right? So that day, David went before Goliath, his aura, like, serious over family, and he was like, I go cut your head off, everybody go see him, like, you understand? And then, did you notice something? David rose his hand up and he threw the stone, with his sling, right? But it was not the sling and the stone that killed Goliath. I don't know how to explain it, but the way I like to think about it is that as that stone was going towards Goliath's forehead like this, God just did like this, just hit him small. In fact, even touch him, it just blew breeze and it just hit Goliath's head, and that guy was over, right? So if you notice something, there was still a step that David had to take. David had to first of all sling that rock for God to now, round him up. So the issue with what I now started doing was that instead of me correcting the extremism, which is people saying that, oh, they didn't really do anything, but God did anything, I now went to the other side of the extremists and now started saying, okay, study, do this, do that, do this, do that, so you can have your academic results. And sometimes I had the tendency that I might not have included the fact that there was really, really the God factor in it to play to have academic success. And that's a fault on my part, and I'd like to apologize, because I know that maybe I might have mistakenly deceived some of you. But I'd like to tell you that you need to first of all sling the rock, and then God will just finish them and make it hit. There are many times when I have worked really, really hard, and I know that it was really, really God that directed my work. Because I can tell you for free, it is possible for you to read 8 hours a day and you will still feel a course. Oh, if you know, you know. But what now crowns into success, what now makes everything to make sense at the end of the day, is targeted work. Work that is not just anyhow. When you're doing it with God, right, God has a way of directing you to things to read, giving you inspiration on how to do things. Like, I'm telling you, I've been in an example when they've told me to derive, and God was like, oh yeah, start from here, write like this. And then before you know it, I was able to derive the whole thing. I am telling you, like, the stories are many, but it's not because God just fell in heaven. God saw that, this guy, she actually tried to, but these guys are trying to rig it for her. So, of course, there's a place for your work. There's a place for you to sling the rock, right? But most time, for you to hit Goliath's head directly on where to kill him, you really need the help of God. And that's why I don't want a lot of you to forget. Like, the study strategies are important, right? But beyond your work, there will just always be the part of it where God will just crown it up, with favor, crown it up with success, crown it up with everything. So work hard, right? Do everything within your power. Don't really, like some people, don't just say you don't have to do any work at all, right? Just pray that at the end of the day that He will crown your efforts and even go beyond your efforts to make you have good success. Because the top students you see in your life or around you, right, it's not every time that it's really their efforts per se, but that extra step of favor, that extra step of extra advantage will make the difference. So yeah, I'll see you guys another day on this channel. If you want more tips like this, please be sure to subscribe, guys. We have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers sooner or later. So yeah, thank you so much for promoting this channel to more students so they can do academically well. And thank you for always watching. Thank you for always commenting. Love you guys, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.